All right, everybody, this is Taylor with ValleyScape. We're back in Temecula. We're down by the Crown Hill area, and I want to talk to you about a unique situation that came up because an ADU was installed on this property, and now the irrigation, of course, is a total mess. So check this out. Let me show you what's happening. This is the backyard in Temecula. Unfortunately, the irrigation is completely busted. If you can tell, don't know if you can quite make it out, but there's the valve wires were just completely cut through over here. So problem. Here's all the valves for the backyard, for the slope and for the lower area. So right now they have no water to them. No water. So that stinks. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna come off the back of this ADU. They got power. So we're going to install a new controller back here. We're going to run the valve wire from there over to the valves. So take the trench and run the wire. And then here we have water, the other thing we need. So we're going to dig down to where it's PVC off this main supply line for the ADU. And then we're going to run PVC pipe, new pipe, pressure pipe over to the valves. Now, we'll have to also prevent the water from going the other way, wherever it came from, which I think was that side of the house. So we'll have to cap the other side of the manifold. But this is the type of thing that comes up sometimes when an ADU is installed on your property. So things to think about. Unfortunately, it's been a couple years like this, but we'll show you the process and we'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Thanks for checking us out. We're at the point now where we got the water on. So we went ahead and tied into the water line. We ran our irrigation line. We have a shut-off valve for the irrigation. We ran the pipe. Now, one thing is, it's not super deep. And the reason it's not super deep is because there's all kinds of other piping and wiring and electrical and drains in here. So we're not gonna run it deeper than 6 inches. So that's what we have here. So just turn the water back on. Looks like we got a leak there. So that's the beginning of the next steps. So I did have this valve on. Let's go ahead and shut it off and see what happens. See if that water stops. I don't think it will. But anyways, that's it. That's the steps we're on now. So now we got to get everything else working, all the sprinkler system, all the piping, get that all fixed up. So that's the next step. We're not doing that today, but we were just getting the controller in, wiring in, and getting water to the valves. That's it from me from here in Temecula. We are wrapped up with stage 2 of this project. This was the ADU, the additional dwelling that was built in the backyard of this house. Did unfortunately just mess up the irrigation system, the back lawn, which is now dead. Just a little bit of maybe some insight is that if you are having an ADU built, maybe talk about it with your contractor ahead of time, like what's going to happen with the irrigation, who's going to fix it, is that something we have to do? So just some good stuff to think about. That way you don't get caught at the end having to front some money to get the irrigation redone. So as you can see behind me, it's very dry and it's been off for a couple years. But anyways, that's what we help with. Thank you for watching ValleyScape. We're in Temecula and Palm Desert, and we're here to help you. Appreciate it.